In a faraway kingdom, King Randolph had 12 beautiful daughters. Each princess had a passion for dancing, but their royal duties often kept them from enjoying their favorite pastime. The king, worried that his daughters lacked proper refinement, invited his strict cousin, Duchess Rowena, to guide them in becoming more proper princesses. However, Rowena had sinister intentions. She wanted to take over the kingdom. She banned dancing, took away the princess's belongings, and poisoned the king to make him weak. One evening, the youngest princess, Lacey, discovered an enchanted book left behind by their late mother. When opened, it revealed a magical passage to a secret garden filled with glowing flowers and a grand dance floor. The sisters realized that when they stepped on the golden emblem, their dresses transformed into beautiful ball gowns, and they could dance freely without fear of Rowena's rules. Every night, they escaped to this enchanted realm, feeling happy and free. However, Rowena grew suspicious of the sisters disappearing each night. With the help of her sneaky henchman, Desmond, she set traps to uncover their secret. Meanwhile, Genevieve, the most courageous of the sisters, noticed her father's health worsening. She, along with her charming friend Derek, a royal cobbler, began investigating. One night, Rowena discovered their secret and destroyed the magic portal, trapping the princesses in the hidden realm. Using her wit and leadership, Genevieve found a way to escape, leading her sisters back to the castle. In a final confrontation, Rowena attempted to poison the king completely, but Genevieve used a magical flower from the enchanted garden to revive him. Furious, Rowena tried to take the throne, but Genevieve and Derek cleverly outmaneuvered her, causing her and Desmond to be banished forever. With Rowena gone, King Randolph apologized for misunderstanding his daughters and allowed them to dance freely again. The kingdom flourished, Derek and Genevieve fell in love, and the 12 princesses continued to dance, happily ever after.